Okay, and so the last video that I want to talk about is I just want to talk about and electrical induction. Okay, so if I've got conduction, suppose I have a and I've got, suppose I got two of them. So I've got another one over here. And it's got 4 positive charges on it. Now, if I bring this into contact, now those charges want to get as far away from each other as possible. So 2 of them are going to be left over here, and 2 of them are going to go over to the other thing so that they can get as far away as possible. So conduction is touching. And when I bring them apart, these electrons aren't going to say, hey, the boat's leaving, we gotta go. They're just going to hang out here. And so now I bring them apart. So let's see, how do I want to put bringing them together? That's bringing them together. That's pushing them apart. So I pull them apart, and now I've left some charge on this one that migrated over from that one. So that's conduction. So then induction, what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a rod, and then over here I'm going to have positive charges. And now what's going to happen is the negative charges in here are going to be attracted, and the positive charges are going to be repelled. Okay? So the negative charges are going to be attracted to the positive over here, the negative charges, and the positive charges are going to be repelled. Now, suppose I leave it in this situation, but now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a wire and attach it to ground. Well, the wire doesn't know what's happening on the other side over here. The wire only knows that there's a positive side here. And so what's going to happen is negatives are going to flow up the wire to cancel. There's going to be negatives in the ground. They're going to cruise on up, and they're going to be attracted to those positives. So they're going to neutralize that positive just because they want to, and they don't know what's happening over on this side. And so then when I cut the wire, so now if I bring Now what's going to happen is there's going to be negative charges on this one. And so what I need to do, there's videos on this, and I have supplemental videos of this, and so I highly encourage you to watch those supplemental videos. They give a much better explanation than I just did.